As you can see here, we have the greatest hits PS3 Mortal Kombat Complete Edition on the PS3. As you can see on the top here, 1999, which is clearly a Best Buy sticker there, blue and yellow. Pretty much picked this up about a month and a half ago, pretty much for about $10. It came out to about $13.13 with the tax, which isn't quite bad though. Pretty much I'm going to open this up right now. Let's take a look at the back. We can get a little clear here. Camera's focusing. As you can see, it is a 4-player game, 2 to 8 network, 4 GB hard drive install space. As you can see, pretty much. Let's open this up right now. I love that new game smell. Let's see. I'm gonna start playing this. Just had to pick it up. It's open. As you can see, we got the game right here. Little manual. Just your basic stuff. And the game. Not bad. I'm gonna just put this sucker in and install it. And I'm gonna start playing right now. Yeah.